We help companies to implement technology, automation, and AI into their sales processes. Worked with more than 50 clients all around the world. Onboarding experience was really cool, was very lean and easy. For the clients where we are using Aerosend, we have almost 98% of our mailboxes are in 100% reputation. With Gmail and Outlook, we have around 1.3% reply rate. Well, with Aerosend, we have 2.75 times. Sometimes I don't know if you sleep, Namid, or what are your time scale, but it doesn't matter the time. At any time, you're there for a quick reply.
Hey, Nicholas, super excited to have a conversation with you and talk to you. Would love to get started. Could you tell me a little bit about what you do and your typical role in your company?
Great. Hi, Namid. It's great talking to you. So my name is Nicolas. I'm the co-founder of ZalesMachine. ZalesMachine is a company based in Argentina, but with clients all around the world, where we help companies to implement technology, automation, and AI into their sales processes and sales team. Part of what we do in ZalesMachine is do outbound campaigns, where we do personalization at scales for our clients. As a co-founder in ZalesMachine, I take the lead in the technical stuff, in the internal automations in ZalesMachine, and I'm always thinking how can we scale and be more efficient with ourselves and with our clients as well.
I love that. So, obviously, you're great at what you do because we've all seen the numbers and you get insane reply rates. So, could you tell me how many clients do you have right now? And what is your best reply rate on a campaign ever?
All right. So ZalesMachine is about 1.5 years old, and in this time, we have worked with more than 50 clients all around the world, with very big clients, clients like Payoneer, or also big players in Argentina, in Mexico, the US. For many clients, we have done like just single campaigns or single projects. So right now we have around 10 active clients where we work on a day-to-day basis. And then I would say like other 15 clients that we have like one shots or specific jobs.
Nice.
Our reply rate, actually, it depends a lot on the clients, on our clients' ICP.
What's your
Yeah.
what's your best reply rate ever?
I would say, okay, once we did a campaign for a specific event, and we had like an 80% reply rate. That was crazy.
Wow.
That was like just a specific campaign, and we smashed it. But then I would say that for like regular campaigns, we sometimes have around 8% reply rate. Other times we say 6%, and other times, yeah, I would say 6 to 8.
Yeah. So, would love to hop into learning more about. Could you tell me a little bit more about Aerosend and your experience using Aerosend?
Great. So before Aerosend, we were just using Google and Outlook, but then we realized that in some places, like for example Mexico, more than half of our the leads that we were reaching out, they were having private emails. So then we thought, hey, we need a solution for all these leads, and then we arrived in Aerosend. And so the onboarding experience was really cool, was very lean and easy. It was very fast also. I think we got all the mailboxes and the domains pretty fast. And then we have been having so far an amazing experience with Aerosend. I just wanted to share before this call, I just did a quick checkout on some of our reputations, and I was seeing that for all the, for the clients where we are using Aerosend, we have almost 98% of our mailboxes are in 100% reputation, and the other 2% is in 97 reputation. And for these same clients with some other mailboxes and domains that are Google or Outlook, we have in 100 reputation, we have only 80% of those mailboxes, and the other 20% is under 97. So that's a like great numbers for Aerosend.
I love to hear it. Could you tell me a little bit more about what you see in terms of reply rates for Google and Outlook versus for Aerosend?
So we should analyze there for each campaign or for each, each domain, each client. But I would say that Aerosend is doing pretty well also. Uh, for example, for one of our clients, we have one client in the US. It's one of our most challenging clients because of its ICP, of the type of service that this client sells. And for that client, with Google, with Gmail and Outlook, we have around 1.3% reply rate. But with Aerosend, we have 2.75. So it's that's a big difference there. That's pretty well for Aerosend.
Close to double. Yeah, that's huge. Like I love to hear it. I'm glad you're having a great experience with Aerosend. I'm loving that you love the onboarding. Would you have anything to add and say to someone who might be on the fence or maybe thinking about using Aerosend?
Definitely, I would say first of all, give it a try. It's always great to have different options when you create an outbound campaign. And so, if you're just using Outlook or Gmail, give it a try to Aerosend as well. Also, check out if the leads that you're reaching out to, if they have, I mean, what providers do they have? So you might be needing Aerosend. Also, I would say that, as I said before, the experience is very easy and very comfortable. I mean, it's really easy to have your Aerosend domains and mailboxes. And also, my last advice, this goes for Aerosend and for all other mailboxes as well. In order to have a good email infrastructure, you should take care also of, I mean, rotate the emails, check the reputations, be careful with the daily limits, and so forth. And also, one last comment I would like to say, Namid, also about Aerosend, is that from Aerosend, you and your team have been always very helpful with us, with any inquiry or anything we needed. You've been also really fast with the reply, and also at any time. Sometimes I don't know if you sleep, Namid, or what are your time scale, but it doesn't matter. At any time, you're there for a quick reply. That's amazing.
Well, well, thank you so much, Nicholas. And yeah, I appreciate your time. This has been super helpful.